Stories. I spent my whole life chasing them, looking for the truth. And when you look closer, that's when you find what has been there all along. The answers are there. Which leads us here. The storm. Time cracks. A girl lost in time.
Woke up today.
I shouldn't be here. This is all from before. A long time ago.
Some kind of frequency.
It's happening everywhere.
Come and collide with me. It's ours to take. Open your eyes and see.
Forget the pollution that you caught in time.
Mae amser yn rhedeg allan.
Yo, forget the illusions, I'll come in with science. I'm coming for what's mine.
I don't want to freak you out or anything, but a communication pathway is opened up between us and 30 years ago.
Hell yes.
Man, can you hear me?
Who would you talk to if you could talk to the past?
The future is here.